Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm an Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to non-native speakers. Welcome to these types of videos of daily routine. And today, inshallah, we're going to talk about the diet. When I made a video of YouTube live last week, some of you asked about the diet that I'm making. Okay, so today, inshallah, I'm making this video about the diet. And we're going to learn some new vocabularies and some phrases also. And let's get to start. What's the meaning of diet? Diet, this word, what does it mean? Diet, we say الحمية. الحمية. Okay, again, الحمية. Okay, so why are you making الحمية? Ya Mahmoud, why are you making الحمية? I'm making الحمية because I want to lose fat. I'm making الحمية because I want to lose fat, to be healthy. Okay, أريد أن أفقد الدهون. أريد أن أفقد الدهون. I want to lose fat. أريد أن أفقد الدهون. I want to lose fat. Okay, because after quarantine, what does it mean? Quarantine. We say الحجر الصحي. Quarantine. الحجر الصحي. Okay, because after الحجر الصحي I became fat again. Okay, so I have to make diet. Okay, to lose weight. Okay, and also I do sport. أمارس الرياضة. أمارس الرياضة. Again, أمارس الرياضة. I have to. So I do two things. أفعل الحمية. أفعل الحمية وأمارس الرياضة. وأمارس الرياضة. Okay. So what do you eat during the day? I eat the food that I like. I eat the food that I like. آكل الطعام الذي أحب. آكل الطعام الذي أحب. Again, آكل الطعام الذي أحب. I eat the food that I like, of course. Okay, to continue on diet, so I have to eat the food that I like. And I have to make sure also it's healthy food. Healthy food. طعام صحي. طعام صحي. طعام صحي. Okay, so also I eat 3 meals during the day. Normally, as we do, I eat 3 meals. Okay, the first meal, I have it here. Look here. This is my meal, okay, in the first day. Oh, what is this? Maybe some of you will not like it, okay, and some of you will like it, but let me tell you what this plate contains. Okay, على ما يحتوي هذا الطبق. على ما يحتوي هذا الطبق. Again, على ما يحتوي هذا الطبق. What does this plate contain? Okay, هذا الطبق, this plate, هذا الطبق يحتوي على contains 4 things. 4 أشياء. أول شيء, the first thing, الشوفان. The oats. الشوفان. The second thing, the milk, cup of milk. كوب حليب. The third, ملعقة عسل. Honey spoon. ملعقة عسل. And the fourth thing is الكاكاو. ملعقة كاكاو صغيرة. Cacao. Yes, cacao. It means, that's what it means in Arabic. Okay, and you mix all together and I eat in the first or in the beginning of the day. Some of you will say it's much carb. Yes, because I go and lift weights, I need some power at least in the beginning of the day. And in second meal I eat meat and some salad, and in last meal of dinner I eat some eggs and some potatoes. Okay, that's my meal during my meals during the day. Okay, and does it affect? Yes, it affects. And of course I have to take some vitamins, مقويات, vitamins, مقويات, again, مقويات. I have to take vitamins during the day because your body is losing vitamins while you are training, okay, and while during the day because of the diet. So you have to take vitamins during the day, okay. If you are the beginner, or going to start a diet, you have to take it easy with yourself. You have to take it easy with yourself. For example, if you are eating 3 meals or 4 meals, or your meal is big, usually. For example, here in Egypt, we eat bread in the breakfast. And we eat food has oil and has butter and many weird stuff. Okay, you guys, you cannot stand it. Okay, and for example, we eat 3 bread. Okay, in one meal. Yes, in one meal we eat 3 bread. So it's hard. Okay, so for you, if you started that, take it easy with yourself. For example, if you are going to start a diet and you eat the meal on 3 meals on the day, start by cutting 1 meal. And and eat the other 2 meals in the first week. And then in the second week, divide your meals. Take half of it. Take half of your meals. And make it easy and don't do anything. You have to read. Diet can kill you. Yes, it can kill you. You have to read about it a lot. I read about the diet before I started because it can cause you this. Okay, so be careful when you make diet and not just eat 1 egg in the breakfast and during the lunch you eat 1 egg also, and at the night you will eat 1 yogurt and that's it. No, this is not wrong. This is not correct. I'm sorry. Okay, I hope this was useful for you, inshallah. If you have any question, please write in the comment and I will reply to you. And please tell me your opinion about this video. Thank you, and I see you in other videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.